Hello, Cambly learners. My name is Teacher Lisa. I am a tutor on Cambly Kids. In this lesson, you'll be learning about the magic of good hygiene and the importance of keeping yourself clean. Are you ready for an adventure in learning about good hygiene and learning about keeping yourself clean and healthy? Let's go. Now, let's talk about one of our superhero moves, hand washing. Just like superhero, they wash their hands after every mission. Remember, wash your hands before and after meal, after using the toilet, and after touching things like garbage, rubbish, or trash. To have a good hand wash routine, first, rinse your hands on the clean water, apply soap on your hand, and then rub your hand for a few seconds. Rinse your hands properly with clean water, and after that, dry your hands with a clean, dry towel. This will get rid of all the sneaky, dirty germs in your hands. Clean hands are superheroes' hands. Taking a bath or having a shower, it's like having a spa day for your superhero buddy. Take a bath or a shower at least once a day. When you take a bath or shower, use shampoo or soap. Wash your body properly and rinse your body with clean water. Dry your body after taking a shower with a clean towel. Don't forget to wash your hair. Wash your hair with shampoo and conditioner. Rinse your hair properly and dry your hair with a clean towel. Changing into clean clothes is like changing into a new superhero outfit. It makes you look good and feel good. Don't forget to put your dirty clothes in the laundry basket so it could be washed and clean, ready for another use. Always remember that superheroes like to take care of their outfit, but always want to look in top shape. Brushing your teeth. Just like superheroes, they need clean, strong teeth for a sparkly smile. Remember to brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning and before you go to sleep. Brush your teeth with a toothbrush and a toothpaste and rinse properly. You want to have strong, clean teeth to give you a nice, sparkly smile. Do not bite your nails. Trim your nails just like superheroes that need nice, strong, clean nails so that they can do any mission they have to do. Always remember to ask for help to trim your nails. To stop the spread of germs, when you cough and sneeze, cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or a handkerchief. This would help stop the spread of germs. It will protect you and the people around you. Let's recap our superhero hygiene moves. Wash your hands after touching garbage, rubbish, or trash. Wash your hands before and after meal, and also after using the toilet. Don't forget to have a shower or a bath at least once a day. Change into clean clothes after taking a shower and a bath. Remember to put your dirty clothes in the laundry basket so it can get washed, clean, and ready for another use. Also, trim your nails. Don't bite your nails. Remember to ask for help to help you trim your nails. Brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning and at night before you go to bed. And there you have it, Cambly learner. With this superhero good hygiene move, you would stay healthy and clean, ready for all your adventures. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly Kids, Cambly gives you instant access to native English speakers that are kids friendly, just like me. So please get your parents to schedule a lesson with me using the link below. Until next time, keep shining, keep smiling like the superhero you all are. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.